Now we'll discuss about the corporate culture. What is corporate or organizational culture? Corporate culture is the pattern of shared values, beliefs, and assumptions considered to be the appropriate way to think and act within an organization. So, organizational culture or corporate culture is a set of living relationship working towards a shared goals. They have the common goals, and it is not something you are, it is something what you do. So corporate culture is all about the sharing goals and working together in an organization. Corporate culture is shared by corporate vision, shared values, beliefs, assumptions, and past experience. What is the corporate vision? Corporate vision is the long term objectives of your company in the frame of time of 5 years or 10 years or more than. Shared values are the identity by which an organization is known throughout its business areas. Corporate beliefs related to accept something as true, genuine, or real ideas. The next one is assumption. Assumption is related to something starting at important job. So culture, like corporate culture, also share the assumption of their important jobs related to the better productions and the better quality of the production and the services. And the most important thing is the past experience. It For the betterment of the corporate environment or your organizational culture, uh, the sharing of the past experience is the very important, by which it will helps to improve your mistakes and for the growth and development of the organization. Now, what is the importance of organizational culture? The unity, loyalty, direction builds healthy relationship and makes everyone more successful. For the It is the important for unity when everyone will come together and the work and the they do work together. So it will develop the organization image in the market. And loyalty, for every team, the loyalty is the most important for any organization. Build healthy relationship in a team. They have need to build a healthy relationship with each other. They don't have uh, feelings of jealous and the other unhealthy relationship with each other. Everyone have one more makes everyone more successful. For a better environment for the work in the workplace, it's very important to make everyone's make the everyone's more successful. Listen their thoughts, their points of view. So it will make the any organization successful.